Starting in October, Microsoft is making a big change to help keep Azure accounts secure. Multi-factor authentication, or MFA, will soon be required for anyone managing Azure resources. This means that whether you're using Azure CLI, PowerShell, SDKs, or APIs, you'll need to verify your identity with more than just a password. The rollout will happen gradually across all Azure tenants worldwide as part of Microsoft's Secure Future initiative. To get ready, users should update Azure CLI to version 2.76 or later, and Azure PowerShell to version 14.3 or later to avoid any compatibility issues. If you're a global administrator and need more time, you can postpone enforcement until July 2026. Microsoft says this change will help protect accounts from unauthorized access, even if attackers have stolen credentials. In fact, their research shows that MFA can block nearly all hacking attempts. By enabling MFA, you're taking a simple but powerful step to keep your Azure resources safe.